Hi guys, so today we're doing another Lucas's Everything video, and we're opening up Football Legends, little like baggy thing, and we're guaranteed a Hall of Famer card. Let's see if we get any good pulls. Oh, well, I think the back one's the Hall of Famer card. So, first one, Super Bowl Superman, E.J. Holub, Brad Edwards, safety, Andre Tippett, linebacker, Ken Clark, running back, Joe Jacoby, not a bad card. Alvin Harper, wide receiver. Ronnie Harmon. Is he going to show me it's running back? Tommy Kane, wide receiver. Tim McKyer, cornerback. Wesley Carl, wide receiver. Derek Fenner, running back. John L. Williams, fullback. Our hit, Edgar Bennett, Green Bay Packers, running back. Steve Jordan, tight end, Vikings. Roy Foster, guard, 49ers. Eric Metcalf, running back for Browns, I think. I wonder if he's the brother of DK Metcalf. I mean, could be. Jane Jones, Detroit Lions, running back. Eric Moore, New York Giants, tackle. Lars Tate, Tampa Bay Buccaneers, running back. Mark Robinson, Buccaneers. Safety Buccaneers, I should say. Eugene Daniel, cornerback. Farrell Edmonds, tight end. Dave Cadigan, guard. Mike Tomczak, Steelers, quarterback. Keith Taylor. Jay Hilgenberg. Carl Mecklenburg. Ron Stark. And Mark Carrier. That's it, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed today's video, and that's the end of the video.